Data analysis 2014, question 3D. Right, now we're moving on to the female arm spans and heights. So you can find this on the page in your data sheet, and it wants the correlation coefficient. So to do this, first of all, we want to put all the data in our calculator. So we're going to go into stats mode. This is correlation and regression with 2 bits of data. So we're going to number 2, and I'm just going to put in all the data in pairs. So I've put in all 10 bits of data. I double check to make sure I've got them all right. Then we're going to go clear it. I'm going to go shift stat. All the correlation and regression stuff is under 5 reg, and the correlation coefficient is R. So then we get our answer. And that's all we have to do. R is 0.73. Now to 3 significant figures, that's going to be 0.737. You should always give your answers 3 significant figures unless they say otherwise. So what we're going to do now is the next bit of the question wants us to get the regression line. Now the regression line we also get from the calculator. Now we've got the data in. This is where we need to get A and B out. So A, now remember A is on its own, so Y is 68.7, so A alone, and then we're going to get B out of the calculator, regression B, and B goes before X, so 0.569X, and again both of those 3 significant figures. Okay, in part F we're now going to use our regression line equation that we've just found. Now the arm span was X, the height was Y, so they've given us X. So I'm just going to put that into my equation. So the height is 68.7 plus 0.569 times 180. Put that into my calculator, and the answer is 171 to 3 significant figures. Okay. And then we're asked to comment on the reliability of this. Now for this you need to look back at the original data. If we look at the original data, we'll notice all these numbers here for arm span are below 180. Now this means we can't reliably use our equation for an arm span of 180 because it's above the range of data collected, and that's called extrapolation. So it is unreliable as 180 is above the range of arm spans collected. It's always good to get the proper word in. That's extrapolation.